While you are here in Egypt, for sure, you will need to go some places. So now, it's my duty to teach you some places, okay? First thing, the word airport, which is simply the first thing that you're gonna face when you come to Egypt. Airport, we call it matar. Matar. Matar, okay? And then we have the word hotel, we call it فندق. 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 I want to hear it from you as well. Again. Again. Well done. فندق. Okay. Then we have a word that I wish that you never need this word, but let's learn it as well. The word hospital. Hospital, we call it مستشفى. I know it's hard. Okay. Let's say it again together. مستشفى. Repeat after me. مستشفى. Okay, now it's time to say the whole word, okay? مستشفى. 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 Okay? Another word that I wish you never needed, okay? The word police station, we call it اسم شرطة. اسم شرطة. اسم شرطة. اسم شرطة. Okay, can I hear it? Again. Well done. اسم شرطة. Then we have the word museum, we call it متحف. 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 متحف, it's museum, okay? متحف. Then we have the big super thing that we have here in Egypt, the pyramids. The pyramids. We call it أهرامات. 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 It's something that I really love. أهرامات. Then we have the word Cornish. It's also in Egyptian Arabic. We call it Cornish. Cornish. For example, Nile Cornish, we call it Cornish el Nil. Cornish el Nil. Okay, so Cornish, it's the same thing, Cornish. And another word related to the water, the word sea, which is Bahr. 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 Bahr, it's sea. Bahr. Then we have the word beach. We call it Shat. 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 Okay, Shat. The word beach, we call it Shat. Now let's go to the word bus station and taxi station. Let's start with the bus station. We call it موقف أتوبيس. موقف أتوبيس. موقف أتوبيس. And we have موقف taxi. موقف taxi. موقف taxi, a taxi station. موقف taxi. Can I hear it from you? Well done. Then we have the word company. We call it شركة. 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 Then let's go to the word restaurant. We call it مطعم. 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 Okay. Now let's move to the word bank. Bank. The good thing about the word bank is in Egypt also we call it bank. So, no panic. Okay. Just bank. Bank is bank. No problem. Okay. You can just use the word bank as bank. Next we have the money exchange center. We call it صرافة. 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 Actually, for me as Ahmed, I recommend dealing with the bank instead of the صرافة. Okay, bank it's more trusted, so please try to use the bank as much as possible instead of the صرافة. Okay, so the exchange center, money exchange center, we call it صرافة. صرافة. Market, we call it سوق. 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 Say it again. سوق, it's market. Okay. سوق. What about the word shop? Shop, we call it محل. 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 محل, it's shop. And what about the word mall? Mall, the big mall, okay? We call it also in Egypt mall. Same thing. Mall, okay? So mall is mall. It's nothing changes. Then the word castle. Castle, we call it العة. 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 Okay? العة. That's the castle. What about the word mosque? There are two words to say the word mosque. You can say the word جامع. 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 Or you can say مسجد. 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 You can say جامع or مسجد for the word mosque. What about the word church? We call it كنيسة. 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 كنيسة, it's a church. كنيسة. Okay? Then another good word that you're gonna like, the word supermarket, we call it also supermarket. Same thing, nothing changed. Okay. Then we have the word mountain. Mountain, we call it جبل. 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 Okay, this is mountain. جبل. What about the word valley? We call it وادي. 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 وادي, it's a valley. Okay. وادي. وادي. And last two words to learn for this part, the word clinic and pets clinic. Okay. The word clinic is called عيادة. 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 Okay, that's clinic. What about pets clinic? We call it عيادة بيطرية. عيادة بيطرية. Say it again. I know it sounds hard, okay, but say it again. عيادة بيطرية. Again, عيادة بيطرية. Okay, عيادة بيطرية. Okay. Now I just taught you many places that you will be using here in Egypt. The practical part is coming. Okay, don't worry. We're gonna practice dealing with all these locations and these parts. Okay. So I'm done with this part for now. See you in the next part, and let's go to the next part.